How to add an overlay in CapCut PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using CapCut on your PC, so here's how you can easily add an overlay to your particular video on your CapCut PC. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up CapCut application itself and you can just create a new project. So for now, I'll simply go on with the existing project over here. As you can see, currently I have taken two different videos over here. So you can also choose different videos where you would like to add an overlay. So if in this case, actually this is the video where I want to add an overlay. So this is the video which is the overlay feature I want to add on this particular video. So make sure the overlay video is always on top and the video in which you want to add that effect should be on bottom. And once you do that, just make sure both of the videos are of the same length so that there won't be any conflicts in the length of the particular video. So now simply tap on the overlay video which you want to add and simply click on this right section that is blend and just click on this drop down menu. And once you click on it, now simply select this default option over here, and under this drop down menu you can see there is an option that is overlay. So just change the default to overlay just like this, and once you select that, you can basically increase or decrease the opacity after selecting it just like this to add or view the overlay effect successfully. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.